And here she is, still looking like this morning. Wings, Aki poppers. The bathroom, we have a stand-in one. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. What's up, guys? Welcome to White Pre. It's day 1 in Jamaica. I'm gonna have to show you guys the hotel. I really like it. It's the Hyatt Ziva Hotel Resort in Rose Hall. I like it. I really like it. But we're already in the room. We got some KFC. But I'm gonna have to show you guys. It's really nice. We're just gonna walk around because I need to take a nap. But come on, y'all. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. It's nice out here. They're playing music, so I'm just gonna have to cut it. I'd hate to be copyrighted now that I'm a part of YouTube Studio. Don't forget it. But I like this. First day we're gonna chill. Oh, look, here's another part. This place is pretty big, if we're being honest. What? Right here? She wants to have birthday dinner right here. Oh, let's walk over to the beach area right here. Wanna be. She wants to have her birthday dinner there. Somebody will be getting married here soon. Lovely. I guess we can watch the wedding as well. Alright, so she actually want to walk down to the water, so we're going. This is nice. Hyatt Resort.
You know, we can go to the resort.
They dancing, so that means I'm gonna go ahead and partake. Hey! 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 Okay! Oh! I'm a crop, watch! I'm a crop! I'm gonna start letting my dudes come take me here. We have done dance and dance and dance and dance. And now we're going over to Zilara. It's a neighboring. I'm gonna put this down.
What? What the? No, it look cute that way.
It look like I got a lot of forehead. I chill. Don't. My fire look big. And now we're going over to the Hyatt Zilara because it's the neighboring hotel. It's connected to it, so this section is the one that we're on, and this section is the Zilara. But either way, we can go over there so we can enjoy both hotels. So we're gonna go over there and see whose hotel is winning.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time.
This one's lit too. The more black people turn it up. So you already know I'm in there like swimwear. Are we so extra?
Y'all need to be up here.
Exactly. This is lit.
But I'm sure you gotta rent it though.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
This is a beautiful view. All right, so we're still at the place that I was just showing you guys, because you know we can be there. It's pretty cool. I'm not lying to y'all, so y'all gotta come here. So we're walking over to our hotel. Something's going on at 9 p.m. over here. Oh, Jamaican, what she say? Something Jamaican dance, something. And then something, y'all gonna see it though.
Dance with the fire, with reggae.
Oh, yeah.
What else? Competition or something? Yeah, that's what it's gonna be.
There's the gym.
Just come work out.
Alright guys, so they made her a happy birthday thing because her birthday is on Sunday. This is what it looks like. So the bathroom, we have a stand-in one. Toilet. We have that. We have a tub. A mirror. We just came in and like threw everything down. So it looks like. And boom. Ziva. Wow. What a view. Alright, so that's the tour of the room. Oh wait, you know, there's a glass right here. I didn't even notice this thing right here. Oh, we did not see this. Let's see that. Okay. Well, that's a plus. But yeah, so that's it. But I just made reservation to go eat at Jamaican Roots because it's an all-inclusive resort, so we're gonna take advantage of it because, bro, it's 4 different buildings. Wow, okay? And I ain't lying, I'm having a lot of fun so far. This way, y'all. We going to dinner. This girl done made us late. She done made us late falling asleep at the gazebo. Girl, I went in there and took a shower, got dressed, couldn't do my makeup or nothing, and here she is still looking like this morning. We made it. We made it. We're gonna just scan the barcode and order.
I'm recording you as you're recording yourself.
Huh?
I'm recording you as you're recording yourself. Now look at this girl. She's not tired. The life of a blogger.
Never get
the life of
back.
like that. You know what I'm saying?
Wings, Aki poppers. What do you say that was?
I don't know.
I don't know, but that's what that is. Rice on peas. And I don't know what this is, but it's slap. It's pineapple something.
It's good. Oh,
I like it. I knew I would anyways. I like oxtail.
I'm a lot more now.
It's good. I'll see you guys later though because my camera's on. Bye. Alright, we're back in the room. We ate. The food was really, really good, so we're probably gonna eat there again. A+ for Jamaican Roots. It was really good, but now I'm tired, so I'm gonna lay down for a little bit. We got 45 minutes till it's 9 o'clock. And then we're going down to the cultural dance thing and event that they have tonight. So, I'll see y'all later.
So whatever the dancers do on the stage, you gotta do too. Right, left.
Alright guys, it's another day, it's another dollar. I'm not making any dollars, but it's day 2. My friend already went down. Ooh. I already showered, I already brushed my teeth. Lord, I'm just tired. My friend already went down to have breakfast, so now I'm gonna go down. It's 10 something, and I'm just gonna have something because she wants to dance, kayak, snorkeling. No, it's okay. But she wants to do all that, so I'm gonna go run down and get something to eat real quick. And then see what we're doing today. All right, let's go. All right, y'all. I'm gonna sit outside because the view is good, obviously. Yeah. Thank you.
Go on the buffet line and come back and
Look at it. All right, y'all. So much choices. They call it choices, and I'm really hungry. So, and they're about to close. Well, breakfast is about to be over because it's almost 11. So I gotta grab what I can grab right now. So I think I'm gonna stick with the Jamaican station, and I'm gonna get some green banana, and it looked like brown stew, and some fish. Yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna get. Hi. No, allow me to tell her, it's kidney, not brown stew. And some fish, yeah. Okay. Can I do me? No, it's facing. Oh, hi. It's my YouTube channel. We can get some banana, fish, and fried bami. A bami? Yes. I know what that's not. I'm not lying, I remember. Oh, okay. So, yeah, I'm gonna, oh, what is tomato? Yeah, we can have one of them now. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, which part? Soursop, plum, papaya, grapefruit. Y'all can't see the background too well. I don't even care. I'm hungry. So I ended up getting, I don't know, but 2 of these and this. And I let them put some kidney on top. I haven't had kidney in a long time. And I don't know where my friend is because she came down to breakfast at like 8 something and she was still missing when I came back, when I got up, showered, and was ready to come down. But I only have 7 minutes till breakfast is over. I really like that everything is included here because, baby, we don't have to go nowhere for real, but we are gonna go do some snorkeling. I think, I've never done that. I forgot kidney's good. So check out my view. Oh my god. Alright y'all, so we're about to go underneath one of those and take some pictures because today's pool day. So we're going out here. I'm pissed.
I can see us on the countryside. side, sitting on the grassland side by side.
Be on the firm. Yes. All right. Yes. All right. Don't play with me.